Hey YouTube world, just wanted to talk about a problem I've been having in my garage. I purchased two of these Chamberlain MyQ devices here. They're absolutely amazing, and you can run them from your app, from your phone. And the problem is when you set them up, they want to set up on their own hub, different hubs. And a hub would be a location. So since they're both in the same location, you can see I have one there and then one over there. I wanted them on the same location. It's very difficult to do. Support sucks from Chamberlain on this, but I'll tell you what I did. So when you take this off, you'll see how we have the lights here. This is solid green now, and this is my secondary MyQ device. So what I had to do was basically leave my first one set it up per the instructions, and then on the second one, what you have to do is, see the light that's blue right now? You have to hold that down for 6 seconds and it'll erase all your Wi-Fi settings. And then what I did was I unplugged the device for about 5 minutes from the wall, plugged it back in, held down that black button there again for 6 seconds, and then when you go into the MyQ app itself, you go to MyQ, then device management. Then you click on your hub, whatever your hub is for your main device, and then there's a plus in the top right corner of the app, and you press that plus and you say you want to add a garage door opener. And then when you add a garage door opener, it'll say, okay, locate the learn button. Then you press next, and then it'll say press the learn button. And that learn button is that yellow button right there. I did it over and over again. Many times it wouldn't work. I finally started over, and what I did was I held my phone like this at the front of the device, and then it seemed to work. So that was the trick I did. I had to hold my phone up front. The other thing I did was every time I did this, I made sure I actually unplugged the garage door opener itself from the wall for a minute or two. And finally it clicked through and it worked for me. Now I have two garage door openers on one hub. I hope that helps everyone out. Have a good day. Say bye, Mace.